Is your skin truly protected from the sun's harsh rays? Introducing Doux Silicone Sunscreen Gel SPF 50 PA+++, India's #1 dermatologist recommended brand. It's your ultimate shield against UVA and UVB damage. Say goodbye to sticky residue and white casts. This unique gel formula is perfect for oily and acne-prone skin, leaving a smooth, matte finish. Its non-comedogenic formula won't clog pores, making it ideal for daily use. Keep your skin healthy and clear every single day. Choose the dermatologist-approved protection that feels invisible. Doux Silicone Sunscreen Gel, your skin's best defense. Get your Doux Silicone Sunscreen Gel SPF 50 PA++ today on Amazon. Protect your skin, embrace the sun.